Hey credit heroes, want to close more sales even if you don't have any sales experience? Well, today I'm going to show you a surefire way to boost your confidence and get more clients. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I've helped thousands of businesses scale from the ground up. And I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face, and I've learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. When you're trying to grow your business, it's important to build trust and credibility with leads and clients while also adding value, especially if you can offer it for free. That's why a credit audit is perfect. A credit audit is a simple way of assessing your potential clients' needs when it comes to fixing their credit. But more than that, it's a great sales tool for your business because it allows you to add value, build trust, and close more sales. In fact, we've seen the close rate shoot up for those who provide potential clients with a credit audit and who wouldn't want to close more sales. Here's the thing to remember. Even big multi-million-dollar companies offer a free credit audit. I even know of one very large billion-dollar company that does it. I don't want to mention their name, but their initials are Lexington Law. Now, keep in mind that credit education isn't common, and a lot of people don't really understand what it is or even how credit repair works. And the bureaus make it complicated on purpose. So it's your job to help people to understand the system and exactly how you can help. Here's why this is important. If you're new to working with credit repair clients, it can be scary to have the initial consultation. You might feel like you don't know what to say or that you're nervous when talking to people. Learning how to communicate with clients about their credit is a huge breakthrough for a lot of new credit heroes. Having a clear process like a credit audit that you can just read through makes all the difference. Use it as a tool to stay calm, confident, and focused while providing a ton of education and value to anyone who's interested in your services. Imagine if you were an auto mechanic being asked to fix someone's car. Well, the first thing you'd have to do is take an assessment. You'd look under the hood. You'd look all around to see what's wrong, and then you determine what you can do. And that's why car dealerships print out a whole report about your car and what it needs. Well, it's the same for a credit hero. You need to be able to look at your client's credit report to see what kind of discrepancies there are. Here's what you need to know. Providing clients with a free credit audit is simple. Why? Because I've made it super simple for you. Let's take a look. All you need is your client's credit report, which they can get through Credit Hero Score for a $1 7-day trial. Once you've added them as a lead or a client in Credit Repair Cloud, then you click on Generate Simple Audit, and you get a perfectly formatted, easy-to-read report. It's broken down into 5 sections: Credit Score Basics, Credit Scores and Summary, an analysis of their accounts, an overview of your process as a credit hero, and the client's part in the process. Credit Score Basics allows them to see what a low score costs them in terms of how much more they would pay for things like a car or a home. And you can customize this for whatever area of the country that your client lives in. The audit report provides great informational tools like how credit bureaus determine your scores. Next, the credit audit shows them their actual credit scores from all 3 bureaus, including any negative items and a credit utilization percentage. Then they get a derogatory summary, which includes the number of delinquent or derogatory items, as well as public records and inquiries. Be sure to review the credit audit with your client and explain the dispute process while setting proper expectations. You just read through it with them and talk about each piece of inaccurate information and go over the services that you provide. Finally, with Credit Repair Cloud software, not only is the credit audit easy, but presenting it just takes one click of a button, and then you can email it to your client or print it. The whole process is designed to make you look great and help your potential clients see the real value that your services provide. Here's my final point. A credit audit is a great way to add value as a credit hero, to build rapport, grow the relationship with a client, to visualize what's hurting their credit, and then show them how you can help dispute negative items and help rebuild their credit score. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn how to get more leads without paid ads, check out my free tips here. And if you'd like to improve your credit score and discover how to earn extra income repairing credit for others, check out my brand new Start Repairing Credit Challenge. Doors are closing soon and it is completely free. So sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com and keep changing lives.